Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm excited to share my new gift wrapping paper designs inspired by ancient Iranian pottery. For this project, I chose the pottery from Tall-e Bakun A, located in the Marvdasht plain near Persepolis. This region is renowned for showcasing some of the most skillfully decorated pottery from prehistoric cultures. The pottery from Tall-e Bakun features a variety of forms, like deep bowls and funnel-shaped vessels with rich and diverse patterns. Common motifs include leopards, deer, various birds, goats, insects, and rams. Interestingly, women played a crucial role in creating these pottery pieces. Due to their involvement in weaving, food preparation, and cooking, they had a deeper understanding of family needs and animal anatomy. Their life experiences were beautifully reflected in the shape and design of the pottery. Stay tuned till the end to explore these unique and inspiring designs with me.